Thank you very much to spend time with us. On behalf of Elephant Nature Park, we would like to thank you for all of you to choose to enjoy Christmas time with us and support our project and spend time here with elephant,
And
with
dogs.
and dog and cat and every and all animal here. And here my husband he will say something to you.
No, I won't. I just want to thank you again for, I guess, like I'm saying, for coming and this different, great time for you to come, and we're very happy for you sharing your energy and time with us. And that's about it. I can't see anything outside of this light. So, thank you very much.
Oh yeah, candles burning low, lots of mistletoe, lots of snow and ice everywhere we go. Choir singing carols right outside my door. All these things and more. That's what Christmas means to me, my love. Christmas means to me, my love. Yeah. I see your smiling face like I've never seen before. Even though I love you madly, it seems I love you more. The little cards you give me touch my heart for sure. All of these things and more, darling. That's what Christmas means to me, my love. Christmas means to me, my love. I feel like I'm running wild. Angels and a little child reaching beneath the mistletoe. Kiss you once and then some more. Wish you a Merry Christmas, baby.
Merry Christmas,
And such